Hello everyone, this is Rudrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing good. So my today's video is yet another haul and this is a haul of bags. So I have picked up some great bags, or some from affordable section, some from luxury section, and all these bags are from Amazon. And Amazon is having their Republic Day sale going on from 17th of January. If you are planning to have bags in your life, so this is the perfect time to choose. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is not a huge haul, this is kind of a mini haul. So the first bag is from Levi and this is the bag and this is how it looks like. The color is tan and the detailing I really love the most, and it comes with a chain which is here, and here are two sections inside. This one is open and here is another one which comes with a chain, and at the back side of this bag here is also a chain. And this kind of sling bags are really nice to carry, and although it carries a lot of things, great. So this is a perfect bag to have in your collection. The next one is also from Levi and this is the bag, and I absolutely love this gold detailing going on here. And if you open the bag, here is a chain and it comes with this kind of open section, and here is another one which comes with this chain, and also it comes with a chain in the back side where you can keep your phone and all. And this also has this strap, so if you want you can carry like this way, or if you want to hang in your shoulder, this then this will work. So this is, the color is really nice, and this type of nude colors you can pair with so many things. So I think this is a great bag to have in my collection. So the next one is quite affordable and this is a brand called Exotica, and this is the bag how it looks like. I absolutely love this type of denim finish on the bags, which really create nice looks all together. And here is a nice gold detailing, and when you open this bag you will get a chain over here, and inside the bag you will have a pocket like this, and here is a chain like this. And also at the back side of this bag you will get this chain, and it comes with this type of strap. So this is adjustable, you can adjust according to your need. And this is a lovely bag, and the best thing is this is quite affordable, and it will give a nice stylish look altogether. The next one is also from affordable option, and this is from the brand called Dixon, and this is how it looks like. This is a glossy brown color bag, and which comes with this kind of chain detailing going on. This is really nice. It doesn't have too much space into it, but when you are only traveling with your mobile and wallet and sanitizer, this is a great option to have. Although the inner side of this bag I didn't like the finishing much, the quality of the fabric is not so good, but this comes with this kind of section, and here is a chain. So if you're planning to have a nice stylish bag to have in your collection, this is a good choice because this is affordable yet very stylish. So the next two bags are from luxury section, and these both the bags are from High Design, and this is the bag I'm talking about. This is from the brand Isle Locada. I think I am not butchering the name. With collaboration with High Design, and this is the bag how it looks like. So this bag comes with this type of snake skin finish, and here you can get a section in the back side of this bag, and when you open this bag you will get a nice section here, and here are some sections to keep your cards, and here is also a chain. So altogether this bag is really nice in quality, and the size is perfect whenever you're going some outside, just for your grocery shop and everything. It doesn't have the space to pick so many things into it, but it is quite spacious according to the price. So I absolutely love this one. Also this comes with this kind of dust bag, so this is really easy to keep and store. The next bag is also from High Design, and this is a wallet, and this is how it looks like. It comes with two sections over here, and this is how it looks like. It's quite spacious. You can keep your cards and everything over here, and it has another chain inside this bag. So this is a quite spacious one when it comes to wallet, and it is quite slick to keep in your shoulder bag. So I definitely recommend you to have this one. I think they also have some color options, as black is my favorite color, so I have chosen this black one. So you can get so many options of this wallet. So this is the last bag to show you guys. So this is really affordable. So this is the bag, and this is only of 90 rupees. I think this is a great deal to have. And this comes with its type of strap with this adjustable option, and it is very spacious. The quality is very good according to the price point, and you don't get any chain inside, but this is how it looks like, and this is quite spacious. You can put so many things into it, and the brown and black combination, I really think this goes with so many things. So this is a great product to have in your bag collection under this price. So with this, I am ending this video. All the purchase links are listed below in the description box. So if you want to check out anything, please go ahead and check out. And if you want to give any recommendation to me as well, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely go ahead and check out all those products. So this is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you into my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.